First, make sure you have your audio clip in the timeline. To increase the volume of your audio clip, start by selecting it by clicking on it. Then, go to the top menu bar, click on Effects, and hover over Volume and Compression. Here, you will see the Amplify effect. Click on it, and the Amplify effect settings will open. Audacity will automatically suggest an amplify value based on the volume of your audio clip. You can leave it as it is and simply click on Apply. But if you are not satisfied with the result, you can adjust the values manually. To do this, go back to the Effects menu and select the Amplify effect again. Now, you can use the slider to change the volume. Moving it to the right will increase the volume, while moving it to the left will decrease it. You can also enter a specific volume value in decibels in the box for more precise control. That is how you increase the volume in Audacity.